Okay, you guys, it's me again. This is the slideshow about our career project that we are working on this week. And then next week you will record your presentation using Flipgrid. Let's go through this really quickly. So, okay, so now we've gone through all of our opportunities that we have. You're going to choose one of the careers, not necessarily the ones that we, just a career to do your presentation over, and whatever it is you've been thinking about for your future. You can look at the career tree that corresponds to that, if there is one, or the academy if you're looking at that. So either the pathways or those, but if nothing else, you definitely will need to kind of consider, what level would your chosen career be on the career tree, because you're going to need that for one of the questions, okay? And then after you've done your research, which is linked on slide number 4, you're going to do all those questions, and then you are going to create a slideshow, and you'll use the slideshow to assist you with your presentation. Should be good. If you're not sure which pathway or academy might be your thing, if yours is in one of those things, if you look on the next slide, you remember this tree, all the green dots are links, and those will take you to the NISD website for that particular thing, okay? So this is slide number 4. You will click on this button, and that will take you to your answer document that you need for your research, okay? So should be this one here. It's 5 pages, but don't let that stress you out, okay? It's okay. Okay, so this is our career project. We're using Major Clarity as our main site. However, if you'll notice, I've linked several others down here at the bottom. Those can also be used to help figure out the answers to the questions, okay? And so here's what you're doing. You're researching your possible future career, and then you're going to do an informative speech kind of thing, presentation on that, to either spark their interest in it or make them go, okay, I know that's not what I want to do. And that's okay, because we're all different, okay? So the information you have to include on your slides is here. And if you'll notice, here all the questions are, okay? So scroll down to page 2, and you'll see those things. And all you have to do is type your answers on here, and then you can copy and paste them into, is this for me? I don't have this person. She's probably next door, P4. If I had to guess. Sorry, McKenna. That's what I would do, is copy and paste, because, really, why reinvent the wheel? So you want to have these finished. I'm going to suggest you have these finished by Wednesday. Kind of give yourself some good pacing here. It's also that way on the remote week at a glance. It says the same thing. Have all the research done by Wednesday and have started on the slideshow. And then there are some examples linked. There's one in the slideshow itself, and then there's also a separate one that's there as some examples that you can kind of see what would be the good thing. Here's what you need to know on the slideshow. Is yes, you're going to answer all the questions. You have to include at least 7 images, symbols, charts, pictures, something that goes with it, because you're making a visual aid. And then anything you pull off the internet, as usual, you need to cite your source. Okay? Well, let me know if you have any questions. Tomorrow, you need to log in during our class period into you can use the remote tutorial link. I'll have it open pretty much all day. The counselors are doing a presentation, so you do need to attend tomorrow. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions.